Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can use custom shapes with the 3D features to create some interesting patterns. Now, first thing to do, just go over to the custom shape tool, select shape option, set the fill, as well as stroke, etc., and select a custom shape. I'm using some Graphicxtras Italian type 16th century designs. You can find them on the Graphicxtras site. And I'm going to go for that design there. Just drag that out there. Now, what you can do then, you can actually apply effects to it beforehand. You don't actually have to keep it as a custom shape. So you can actually just say go to layer, layer style, maybe add a bevel to it. Just going to create a very, very basic bevel. Now, just go to layer, and I like smart object, so I'm going to put it into a smart object, convert to smart object. Then go to 3D and a new tile painting from layer. Now you can see straight away you've got a pattern design, not particularly brilliant pattern design, just a 3x3, always seems to default to 3x3. And if you want to actually change it, just go down to shape and just go there. There's an option just that little there. And select that, edit UV properties, and just set that to say 33. You can suddenly see you've got a few more S's now appearing, and you can do this a few times, as many times as you want actually. So click OK. Now it's a 3D design, so you can actually rotate it and everything in 3D. Well, actually the camera actually. So just select that, and that one's there. Just hover over it, rotate the 3D object. So you just want to rotate that, move, as well as hover over that one, slide the 3D object, so you can just slide. Now, zoom in there. Now, at this point, of course you think, well, that's it. That's an interesting enough pattern, but you can also extend it even further. You can actually turn that into a smart object, and it's still all editable. That's the key thing. All this is editable, so the pattern is still can be manipulated at a later point. So just quickly go to layer and smart objects, convert to smart object. Then you can go to say edit and perspective warp. I like perspective warp, so I'm just going to select that. Just drag that down there, drag that down there, drag that up there, and then just go to warp. And you can so click that, and then you can warp it in slightly more interesting ways than obviously just the previous one. You notice it does actually start to get a bit more coarse there, but just stretch that out. Click OK. Now, also what you can do, of course, you can apply other filter effects. You go filter and maybe camera raw, blur, Gaussian blur, and so on and so on. And of course you can always duplicate the layer. So you can actually say, just go there, hold the Alt down and duplicate the layer and create again more unusual interesting designs. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.